Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix one earbud is not working. At first, you need to specify which earbud is not working. Open the case and specify this one. Let it be this one. Let's assume that my right earbud is not working in my pair of earbuds. What to do? What should you do now? At first, check if your case does recognize these earbuds. Take the left one, take the other one out of the case, take it out and put this broken one inside. This LED light, as you can see, should light up and show you that something was connected. If there is no LED light, you need to take a look at these pads right here. These are nice, and here this should be nice also. If you see that this is some kind of too low or something like that, or too high, or there are many issues, this is the case. You need to fix this somehow, and by somehow I mean you need to just contact the device support, because there is no other way. If your case recognizes your earbuds, this earbud is broken one, you need to go even further. Leave the case now closed with only one earbud inside. Oh, and here almost my phone fell off my table. You need to plug the charging cable into your charging case and wait an hour. Then check if it works. It should. If it doesn't work still, you need to perform a factory reset. Hold this button over here for 10 seconds until you see this LED light going red. And what else can I actually recommend doing? You need to restart your phone, try to connect your earbuds to some different device to check whether your headphones are the problem or your phone, and that's actually it. Goodbye.